Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. This is Cassie. Today I have the Brutus Monroe Magical Mermaid Inspiration Box. This is for June. And if this does not get you inspired, I don't know what will. I mean, one of my absolute favorite things about the Brutus Monroe boxes is the sticker on the outside. It always inspires me. It's beautiful. It makes me want to just keep the boxes and use them for other things, which I do. But I love this. So this is fantastic. All right, I haven't actually watched any of the unboxings, so this will be a treat for me. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to pull this off to the side so you can't see it all at once if you haven't seen it yet either. Okay. So let's start with our little flare. Check out the flare. Is that not too stinky cute? And look at how big it is. It's almost like it fits right in the palm of my hand, and it's bigger than most of them, it seems. Oh my goodness. And it's so cute. And this is what the Stamp Club Stamp of the Month looks like. Obviously it's going to be a little bit bigger, but if you don't know what the Stamp Club is, you definitely want to check that out. But isn't that adorable? And look at how cute that's colored. Oh, I love it. Love it. You guys about done yourselves again, Brutus Monroe. Okay, now we'll get into the goodies in the kit. This thing is chock full. Oh my gosh. All right, here is our sequin pack. Look at all the different colors. Very mermaid-like, very ocean-like. You've got silver, you got gold, you got turquoise, you got blue. Very beautiful mix. Great for shakers or just putting on your cards. And these are absolutely beautiful. So maybe I will make a shaker. Haven't done that in a hot minute. Who am I kidding? A hot minute for me is like, you know, maybe 3 cards ago. Oh, look at how fun this is. These are the decorative details. And these look like tiny little shell bits. Let me take that top off. Look at that. It's little shell bits for your cards. How fun. Or your mixed media projects, or however you want to do that. But isn't that fun? That is full of them. So there is that. That comes in there as well. We also have some ribbon, and this is beautiful ribbon. I imagine it's about a yard each. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that one. But you get 3 colors. You have this really pretty blue, a very deep eggplant color, and then like a coral color. Very pretty. Let's just measure one, shall we? Okay. So here is 1 foot, 2 feet. Oh yeah, you get a little over a yard. That's awesome. Love it. Okay, of each one. Then we have this shimmer sand paste in the color Lilac. Oh, I love their sand paste. So it's a little bit gritty, and yeah, can't wait to use this. That is going to be pretty. I love their pastes. So we've got that. Then, and I love that they're doing this. I love that they're doing this. There is a die. Look at this die. This is like a whole side panel for an A2. Okay, here we go. All right, let's see how big that is. So this is an A2 front, which would be 4 1/4 by, or 5 1/2 inches by 4 1/4 inches. So this will leave you with just a nice little border around, and then you'll have this pretty, that's gorgeous. Think about that. Just, you can pop one of these out on a panel, put a sentiment, donezo. Love it. Can't wait to use that. Oh, and then we have the stencil. Oh, and it's a turtle. It's a turtle. Turtle mini mixed media stencil. I think that's one of the reasons I love the boxes so much, is that they appeal to all kinds of things. Not just card makers, although tons of this is for cards, but you could do scrapbook layouts, mixed media, but that little turtle's so cute. You could like mask off his little feet and head and tail. You could do some sand paste over the top of him, and then maybe just do some ink blending, or just all kinds of ink blending on him. You name it. You could heat emboss through it. That would be fun. Okay, so we have that. But wait, there's more, of course, because these boxes are always so full. Here are the panels. Okay, so I love their panels. These can be foiled. I haven't done that in a little bit because they've been so detailed that I've just wanted to color them. But you could color these with your alcohol markers. You could sponge on them, which is one of my favorite things to do. And then you can foil them. So you get 2 of each one. So there's this one, and then you color it, put a sentiment on it, and you're done. Here's another one with a cool anchor on there. That one would be wonderful to foil. Sponge it and foil it. Oh, and here's another one that would be great to sponge and foil. That's great. So you get 8 of them, 2 each of these panels. And that's basically 8 card fronts, so that's a ton. We've got that. Then before I introduce the stamp set, which I know most of y'all have seen, let's do the paper. So they are giving out 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper now. So we've got this beautiful lilac, this gray, this dark blue, ooh, lime and purple, and it's so pretty. These all just, everything just goes so well together. Love it. And then mermaid skins. Check these out. So they have this really pretty texture and the shine on them. Oh my gosh. Check this one out. Oh yes, yes, that is gorgeous. And this one has like, it's hard to see in the camera, but look at that. It's just different colors and the texture on it. Yeah, so those are the mermaid skins. These are definitely available separately. And this box, okay, so this box is sold out, but a lot of these things are available separately. So I will have everything that is available separate linked down below, because now we're getting on to the stamp set, which if you didn't get the box, you're definitely going to want the stamp set though. All right, this is it. I just love this. You get 3 little mermaids. You have a whale. You've got a silhouette of a fish and a seahorse. Then you've got this very detailed, beautiful sandcastle. You got a puffer fish. You got bubbles. And then your sentiments are, we're mermaid for each other. Let's celebrate, and I can't wait to see you soon. I love this set. I just love it. So I can't wait to get inky with these. All right, so that is everything that's in the box. I will have everything linked down below separately that you can get. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the notification button if you haven't already done so, because that will let you know when I have a video that comes out. Because I'm going to do, like I usually always do, 5 cards or however many cards, 1 kit with this, because I want to show you what you can make with it. Yay! All right. I will see you guys soon, everybody. Bye!